Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Kuromi Nightlight in Heartopia. This Kuromi Nightlight is one of the collectible event items. You will also need to collect nightlights from all three Sanrio characters to complete the Sanrio Gacha Machine collections on here, this one. And after you complete this quest or these tasks, you can unlock the special rewards on here. And to getting it is actually very easy. First, you just need to keep doing Sanrio Gacha until you have reached 35 total pulls like this, you can see it. And then after that, you will unlock a surprise box rewards like this. A Nightlight Box like this. And in here you can do up to 5 Sanrio Gacha pulls per day. 3 pulls from the Gacha machines at Amethyst Beach, and 2 more pulls by using the Sanrio Gacha machines in other players' homes. So don't forget to do your daily pulls and you will unlock the surprise box when you reach 35 total pulls. And in here I will try to open my reward like this, and then just open it. And then in here you can choose a nightlight that you want. In here I want to choose this Kuromi Nightlight, and then I want to tap update, and just like that you will get this nightlight, the Kuromi Nightlight. And then for the next rewards you can just choose for the Melody and Cinnamoroll Nightlight. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.